Drishyam 2 will be the first movie of yours which will have a direct release on OTT platform.
It just happened. We never thought of coming out with a movie in this platform. It just happened because of this pandemic thing.
Mhm.
We were planning to release another film, Kunjali Marikya. Then this pandemic happened, and the entire industry was in a standstill position. Again, it started. So we thought of making a sequel of Drishyam 1 to bring the people back to the theatre.
Yeah.
So it just happened. It was just an happening.
Mhm.
So after the completion of the film, also the theatre part was not correct. Like, they are not able to open the theatre, and still we are having problems. Then there was a big offer from this platform came, and we thought, okay, this is the time we should give the film, because we want to make sure that the entire world should watch this film, because Drishyam was viewed by, my God, all over the world.
Yeah.
So we thought this is the platform where we can give maximum viewership.
What is the thrill of revisiting a character, like a character of George Kutti, the similar set of working with a similar set of people?
Great feeling, because after Drishyam 1, people started writing about Drishyam 2 stories. They created their own stories. So from that angle, Jittu started. Even we also said, okay, why can't we think of Drishyam 2? And revisiting the character is a great feeling. Like, again, back to the house, same house, family, different problems. Again, still after 7 years also, the entire family is waiting for something. Inside George, the turmoil is unbelievable turmoil he's having.
Mhm.
He's expecting something.
Hmm.
And how he is going to come out from this turmoil, how he is going to save his family. It's a big challenge. As an actor, I enjoyed every moment of George Woody, but I'm very confused. I don't know George Woody still. What is his character? What is his attitude? It's beyond beyond the point of view of an actor. George Woody is totally different. Even I don't know what is in his mind. He's an amazing guy. I can call him at least. But he'll do whatever, in whichever way he want to come out, and he will do the best for his family.
I read somewhere that the rights for Drishyam 2 has already been sold. Drishyam 2's remake in Hindi. I think in a scenario when all of us, or everybody across the world, going to see you play the role of George Kutti again, in such a scenario, what do you think remakes bring to the table?
Drishyam is already remade in all languages, like in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi. And if you want to do Drishyam 2, the same actor should act. Same family. You cannot change them because it's already there. Somebody is not there, you can bring another person. It's a big challenge. Otherwise, the entire world knows. If you watch Telugu, Venkatesh should do George Kutti's character. Kamala Hassan should do, or Ravichandra. So Drishyam 2 remaking is not a big thing. Like, if they want to do, they have to act. Like, even if it's a theatre release also, people will watch.
Yeah.
So definitely, people who wants to watch Kamala Hassan in Drishyam 2, they will watch.
Yeah.
If they want to watch Ajay Devgan in Drishyam 2, they'll watch. Who like to watch me, they'll watch. So they have big choice.
After you have made more than 300 movies, do you still get attached to a certain characters, certain roles?
Not like that. I have done nearly 350 films. Each characters are very close to my heart, I can say. And George Woody, of course. Now, present scenario, you can talk about George Woody. So if my next film is Kunjali Marikar, then I'll talk about, oh, Kunjali Marikar is my favorite. Or the other film, then I'll say this is my favorite. It's a beautiful travel. So each and every character I portrayed, it's my favorite. I cannot just say, oh, this is not my favorite character. Each and every character, which it can be a super hit, it can be a flop, it can be a hit, whatever. When you watch a movie again, maybe after 3 years or 5 years, suddenly then a lot of things will come into your mind. Otherwise, so if you ask me, Kireedam, of course, there are certain characters, it will be, when you think about it, my God, like when you do Ramesh in Tanmatra or in Company or Iduvar or Vanaprasam, definitely when you talk about that, it will come into your mind. Otherwise, I cannot take all my characters back to my home, or I cannot take them with me. It is somewhere here, but when if I call them, they'll come to me.
And your movie Marakkar is much anticipated. Do you see that also changing the viewing habit, like in the sense it will give a boost to the theatre business? People come back to theatre to watch your film?
Marikar, we dubbed the film in Malayalam, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil. So it's a big film. Even we have an English cut also. So we thought of bringing most of the entire audience to the theatre, and it has got that kind of charm also, that film. And it is when you watch the film, technically it's one of the best films. So we thought of bringing a film like that, but unfortunately this pandemic, the entire thing got capsized. So we are waiting for that.
When Lucifer released, it also had a very wide theatrical release, as I remember. So we were opening up to a film viewing habit when even in Bombay or in other parts, metro cities, we were watching different language movies. Do you think due to the pandemic that might have suffered a setback?
Entire entertainment industry, not only movies, entire entertainment industry is in bad shape.
Yeah.
And people don't know how to rectify it. So it has to get rectified by the providence. So, and the theatres are closed, so many things are happening. So we are trying to come out with good movies, small movies, and we want to bring the people back to the theatre. It is not back to the theatre. First, the pandemic, this COVID thing should settle down. Then only we have to, people should have that faith, that courage to go to a theatre and watch films. Slowly we are planning. We are waiting for the Almighty to bring a solution for that.
In the last 4-5 years, we have seen a wide appreciation for Malayalam films. What do you think is working for it, and do you think there are still many things we are yet to discover, and if yes, what are those?
Not only for the last 4-5 years, it's years. Malayalam has got its own entity-wise, it's a small place, but the movies we are making, in each and every national award you can see, minimum will get 3-4 awards, definitely. But now people can watch Malayalam films. We have so many, television, we have so many things, so many gadgets to watch a film. So the popularity is, it's growing. And Malayalam films, a lot of remakes are happening from Malayalam. A lot of actors are going to some other regional movies. So it's a beautiful combination, amalgamation is happening. Even Tamil film industry, each and every industry is growing. New directors are there. Like that, Malayalam films, some films are, brilliant films are coming in.